Hello, 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 everyone. We've got another equation to solve, and this one's a little bit longer, but I still think we'll be just fine doing it. But let's take a look at what my little Betsy emoji is asking. It says, hey, mates, what do you call a difficult equation? Why don't you put your answer in the comments before I give the answer at the end of this video? I'm curious what you would think you'd call a difficult equation. All right, let's get started here. It says solve for x. -4 times x minus 3 minus 1x plus 2 times the quantity, 3 times x plus 4 equals -1. The first thing we have to do, or I like to do, you don't have to do it, is put a line through the equal sign to separate the two sides. So there's my line. Now, we've got a lot going on this left side. So we need to simplify wherever we can. I'm going to bring down the -4x. I'm going to bring down the -3 and the -1x. But here it says 2 times this quantity. When I look inside the parentheses, I've got a 3x and a +4. They are not like terms, so I cannot add them. Therefore, I need to distribute this 2, this +2 all the way through. So a positive times a positive is a positive. 2 times 3x is 6x. Then I got a positive times a positive again, which is a positive. And 2 times 4 is 8. So does everybody see what I did there? I took the 2 on the outside of the parentheses and distributed it through. 2 times 3x is +6x. 2 times 4 is +8. Now, on this left side, there's a lot going on, and we need to bring it down. How many terms? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms on the left side. We don't want to start moving anything onto the other side of the equation until we're down to at most 2 terms. So we've got some work to do on this left side. And what are we going to do? We're going to take a look at combining like terms. So let's find all our x's. I got a -4x. I got a -1x. If you want to put the 1 there, you can. A -1x. And I've got a +6x. So let's combine those first. I've got 4 negatives and 1 more negative. That's 5 negative x's. But then I've got 6 positive x's. 6 take away 5 is 1. So that leaves me with 1x. -4 and -1 is -5. +6 is 1x. If you want to put the 1 in front of the x, feel free to do so. It's understood to be there. Now, let's take a look at the numbers. I've got 3 negatives and 8 positives. The 8 is bigger, so I know my answer has to be positive. 8's bigger than 3. Now, the signs are different, so just subtract the numbers. 8 take away 3 is 5. And now I've got x plus 5 equals -1. Am I done with this problem? No, because I want to get x by itself. I don't want x plus 5. We want to take this x and get it by itself, which means the +5 needs to move to the other side of the equation. And how do we do that? We subtract. Whatever we do, oops, I got to go back here. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. And when I do this, what happens to the 5s? They cancel. And I'm left with x on the left side equals 1 negative and 5 negatives make 6 negatives. And that's my answer. Whew, we got through it, you guys. It's just one step at a time. Now, to answer our question up here from Emoji Betsy, what do you call a difficult equation? It's a head scratcher. Get it? I know it's pretty sad, but that's all right. You're going to see some more of these from me coming up. Have a great day. If you have any questions, you know where to put the comments, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe.